Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is not necessary. In this video, I am going to explain abstraction in Python. Okay, so basically, abstraction is nothing but it hides the complexity of the program and shows only what is necessary to the user. Okay, now let's see the proper definition about this abstraction. Okay, so hiding of implementation and only the functionality will be visible to the user is known as abstraction. Okay, here only the functionality will be visible to the user and the implementation part will be hidden. Okay, now let's see this definition with an example. Okay, now let's take an example. Let me take an ATM machine. Okay, in the ATM machine, once I insert credit card, I'll be displaying all these buttons. Okay, the buttons are like account info, withdraw, pin change, deposit, balance, and bill payment. Okay, now if I click on this account info, I'll be getting the password. So if I enter my password, I'll be getting all information about my account. Okay, so here what we'll be seeing on the screen, those will be calling as functionality. Okay, so once I click on this button, it navigates to password. Okay, how it will be going to next step as a password, those things will be written in the background. Okay, those things will be happening in the background. Those things are known as implementation part. Okay, yeah, so hope you guys understood about this abstraction. Okay, so basically in abstraction we have abstract class and abstract method. Okay, but in Python by default it does not support abstract class and abstract method. Okay, so that we have some package to make this abstract class and abstract method. The package we'll be using is ABC. Okay, so ABC is nothing but abstract base class. By using this ABC, we will be taking this abstract class and abstract method. Okay, so first let me know more detail about this abstract class and abstract method. Okay, so first let me explain this abstract method, then let's go for abstract class. Okay, so abstract method is nothing but a method if I enter the function name and I won't define anything. Okay, then we call that as abstract method. Okay, only I'll be calling the function, but in the body of the function I'll be leaving is an empty. Okay, then we'll be calling that method as abstract method. Okay, when the method becomes abstract method, automatically the class will become an abstract class. Okay, so at least one abstract method contains, then we'll be calling that as abstract class. Okay, and one more thing we have to remember is there is no object we can create in abstract class. Okay, to create an object we have to take concurrent class. Okay, in concurrent class we can use a object. Okay, here we can't use abstract methods. Okay, hope you guys understood about these three things. Now let me give an example so you guys can understand very well. So now let's see a simple example about this abstract class and abstract method. Okay, so if you guys can see, I have created one class called student, and here I have defined the function called ABC, and in the function body I have declared nothing. Okay, so when the method is empty, then we'll be calling this as abstract method. Okay, when this method will become abstract method, the class will also become abstract class. Okay, now let's see a proper example. So first, if I want to write this abstract class and abstract method, I want to import ABC from ABC. Okay, yeah, so from ABC I want to import ABC, and also one more thing I have to import, that is nothing but abstract method. Okay, Now let me create a class. So I'll create the class name as computer. So here I have to write ABC because I'm taking abstract class here. Okay? Yeah. So now let me print an abstract method. So I'll be taking the computer will be working here. So I'll be taking as working as a method name, a function name. Okay? And self, and here I'll pass nothing. Okay? So basically this is an abstract method. Okay? If this is an abstract method, then I want to write here as add abstract method. This add abstract method is nothing but we call it as decorator. Okay? Now for better understanding, let me take one more function or one more method, abstract method. So add abstract method def. Now I'll be taking the method name as testing. We're passing parameter as self and nothing I'll pass. Okay, here I have created abstract method and abstract class. Okay, yeah. So now we can create object to this abstract class and abstract method. Okay, to create an object we have to take concurrent class. Okay, let me take a class here. I'll be taking class followed by class name is laptop. I'll take a function and I'll take the same abstract class name. So here I'll be printing as working. Okay, then I'll take one more function. The function name is testing. So I'll print here as testing. Okay, now we can create an object. Okay, I'll take an object name as ob is equal to, I'll take the class name as laptop. Before taking the class name as laptop, first we have to inherit this abstract class and this concurrent class. How can we inherit? We have to write the computer, the parent to the child. So here I'm accessing all the properties of this computer to the child. Okay, this nothing, the laptop is child here and this computer is parent here. Okay, now let me write the class name laptop. Okay, now I want to print the laptop function. So ob dot working. You guys can see I got output as working. Okay, now I want to print the output as testing. Okay, the object name dot testing. You guys can see the output as testing. Okay, this is how we can print this abstract class and abstract method. Okay, and one more thing, in the concurrent class we can take n number of methods here, and if I want to print another method we can print here. I'll take it as run. Okay, then self as a parameter and I'll print running. Okay, and the call here, you guys can see the output as running. Yeah, so I hope you guys understood about this abstract class and abstract method in abstraction. Okay, yeah, so if you guys still have any doubts in this abstraction, please comment below. I'll be answering all your doubts. Okay, yeah, thank you.